How to create Snapchat account 2022. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create new Snapchat account on 2022. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, you can download Snapchat application from Google Play Store or App Store, and then let me just get inside this. Let me just open this Snapchat. And to create a new account, you just need to click on this sign up option here. Simply tap here and this type of interface will be pop up. Get started, enable app permission to make sign up easily. So what you need to do here is that you just need to click on continue option and allow it. And here you can see first name, so let me just enter my first name. Okay, and then second name. Okay, and then click here sign up and accept it. So here you can see birth dates, so you just need to search for your birthday. So let me just search for my birthday and click on continue, and this is the one. You can see random tag 2021. So if you want to change the username, you can change right now, otherwise you will not be able to change next time. So make sure that you have a good username, and then now you have to click on continue. And here you can see password, so you just need to enter your password. And after entering, you just need to click on continue. Okay, so here it's done. So now here they will be asking you phone number, so you just need to enter your phone number and then you have to click on continue. So let me just enter it. Okay, and click on continue option, and here you can see they will send you a verification code, so you just need to hold on for some times, and then you will receive a code. I haven't got yet. So I have just entered the verification code I have just got. So you have to enter the particular verification code whatever you receive on your mobile number. And here is type of interface, so just skip it, and then here I have successfully skipped it. So now you just need to click on turn on, and then your account is ready. So this is how you can create a new account on 2022 Snapchat. Thanks for watching.